In Greece, vegetables are usually the main dish. They're not a side dish, as we in the US usually consider them. In Greece, there's a whole group of dishes. They're called Ladera. Ladi is the word for oil, and of course in Greece, the only oil is extra virgin olive oil, village extra virgin olive oil. And these dishes are braised in olive oil. So you have cauliflower, you have peas, green beans, in the summer zucchini, squash, eggplant, stuffed tomatoes and peppers, artichokes. And these dishes usually start with sauteed onions, and then you saute the vegetable, and then you either put tomato or lemon. There's also a group of dishes that are in this category that use rice. So many times the vegetable dish will include rice or potatoes plus bread, homemade bread or village bread, and some feta cheese. And it's very satiating with all the olive oil, very healthy. And it's how the Greeks can eat so many vegetables. There are other vegetable dishes as well, like the pitas. Everyone knows spanakopita, but there's a whole array of those as well. Even mushrooms, even leeks, even a whole pita based on onions. And so these dishes are one group of dishes that I am trying to teach people, because the Greeks really, especially in the summer, they make up at least 4 times a week, 3-4 times a week. The winter, a little bit less because there are fewer vegetables around and they eat more legumes at that time, which also perhaps could be considered ladera, because there's a lot of olive oil in those dishes as well. So I have these recipes online at carolthegreek.com under Greek Kitchen, and also a Facebook group, and I would love for you to join so we can continue the conversation. I love answering questions. I love talking about the Mediterranean diet and Greece in general. It's my life. And this is one of the reasons that Greeks really are following one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest, way of eating. And so thank you so much, and I hope that you start your journey on the Greek Mediterranean diet. You will definitely see that you have more energy, that you feel healthier, and it shows in all ways. Okay, thank you.